For this part of the assessment, we're going to find the missing side lengths or finding all the side lengths of this triangle. So here I'm noticing if I start here, this side length is 1, 2, 3, 4. So what I'm going to do is just write down that this side length is 4. Then here I'm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then this missing side would be my hypotenuse. I'm going to call that C. Now, if I use the Pythagorean theorem, we know that the two legs, the short sides of the triangle, this one and this one, that a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared. So in this instance, we would just write, well, I know that 7 squared plus 4 squared is equal to c squared, or 7 squared is 49 plus 16 is equal to c squared. And then from there, you just add 49 plus 16, and you get 65 is equal to c squared. So then what you would do is take the square root of both sides, and you would get c is equal to the square root of 65. And for that, you can get an approximation. C is approximately. And when I take the square root of 65, it would be 8.06. Now, for this one, what we would do, this side length here is 4. And we need to figure out this side length. Well, what I'm going to do is take just this half of the triangle. This is 2. This is 2. And I'm going to call that the hypotenuse C. So we would say 2 squared plus 2 squared is equal to c squared. Well, 2 times 2 is 4, plus 4 is equal to c squared, or we have 8 is equal to c squared. And then taking the square root, we would get c here is equal to the square root of 8. So we could write that this is the square root of 8, or also that this is the square root of 8. And you can use a calculator to get a decimal approximation. And the square root of 8 is approximately 2.83.